Public Theatre, Udaipur, or rather, the Municipal Theatre, Jaipur, for tonight's performance of Nothing's On. We do apologize for the slight delay in starting tonight, which is due to circumstances beyond our control. And we ask you to bear with us while we deal with her, with the circumstances. I should perhaps say that with our long and highly successful...
Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for the delay in starting tonight, which is due to circumstances which have now been brought under control.
Our long and highly successful tour is on its very last legs. It's the very last leg.
Thank you for your cooperation and understanding.
I sincerely trust there will be no other hiccups, no other holdups. So, if you please just sit back and enjoy the remains of the evening.
They're just a bit squashed. Squire Ackerman. Who's the other one? Did I do something wrong here? Always the same story, isn't it? 1 minute you've got too much on the plate. Next minute you know they've all gone.
I have a housekeeper, yes, but this is her afternoon off.
Ah.
So we've got the place entirely to ourselves. Hold on, I'll just check. Hello, anyone at home? There's no one here. So, what do you think?
Great, and this is all yours?
Just a little shack in the woods, really. Converted faucet mill, 16th century.
Well, it must have cost a bomb.
Yes, someone has to have somewhere to entertain one's business associates. Someone coming today at 4 o'clock, in fact. Oh, that must be him on the phone now. I'll just have a word with him.
I'm trying to get our files to the meeting still got this by 4.
Yes, we'll only just manage to pick it up. I mean, we'll only just manage to fix it in.
Oh, right then. All these doors!
Only a handful, really. A study, kitchen, self-contained service flat for the receiver.
Terrific, and which one's
The what?
you know.
Oh, yes, the usual offices just through here.
Fantastic. Now I've lost the sardines.
I'm sorry, I thought there was no one here.
I'm not here. I don't know where I am.
I'm from the agents.
Lost the phone now.
You know, Squire Hackman. to go into a few things, you know, do one or two odd jobs. And the client, I'm showing a prospective tenant over the house.
What's wrong with this door?
She's thinking of renting it. Her interest is definitely aroused.
That's not the bedroom.
The bedroom, no, that's the downstairs bathroom in WC Suite. And this is the wonderful house.
Salty! Stay salty! You shouldn't have stood on him.
Don't you worry about us.
Don't all go standing on him now.
Oh yes, we'll just inspect the house.
I better give the floor a wash.
I'm so sorry about her. I mean this
That's all right. We don't need a television, do we?
television. Oh right, the television. Because that she forgot to explain that it's that royal thing on the television, you know, with all the funny hats, and I'm just trying to clarify in case anyone's watching thinking, oh my god.
Right, and I've got to get my files for the basic stuff on this floor.
We won't bother to chill in champagne.
We'll take it up with us.
Sorry?
And don't let my files out of sight.
No, wait, we've gone out of
What?
what?
Her?
Oh, yes! She's been in the family for generations.
Sardines, sardines. It's not for me to say, of course, dear. Only I will say this. Don't think twice about it. Take the plunge. You'll really enjoy it here. Terrific. I'll just put it down here, and then if anyone wants it, he won't be able to find it. You will have to do the sardines, because I got to go out to the kitchen to make another plate of sardines.
You see, she thinks it's great. She's even making us sardines.
Yes, that's great.
I think she's terrific.
Yep, terrific.
So, which way?
Well, I think if you just kind of bundle them up like this.
Up here?
And down here, love.
In here?
No, at least take the bag or the box.
It's another bathroom.
Bag, box.
Always trying to get me into bathrooms.
Well, at least take the you know.
Oh, black sheets. You're the real estate. You can't even get the door open.
Mrs. Hawkins' afternoon off. Remember, we've got the place entirely to work. Home sweet home.
Dear old house.
Just waiting for us to get back.
How odd to find the telephone in the garden.
I'll put it back.
I thought I'd better bring it in.
Oh dear.
Why don't you put it on the table?
The wire seems to be caught.
Oh, look, it's caught round the downstairs bathroom.
It is indeed.
I think I'm close to disentangling it.
I climbed through the bathroom window.
It's rather funny, though, creeping in like this on our wedding anniversary.
Yes, it's damn serious because if Inland Revenue find out we're in the...
The country, even for one night.
Oh, yes, even for one night, of course. Yes, because if Inland Revenue find out we're in the
The country,
country,
even for one night.
even for one night,
Bingo!
absolutely.
Bingo is close to this year's income.
Oh, so this season come. So I think I'd better go upstairs and have a little lie down.
Lie down. Yes, well, why not? No children, no friends dropping in. We're absolutely on Don't mind, we thought you'd gone.
I thought you was in Sardinia.
We are. You haven't seen us, we're not here.
Guess which one of them put this in?
Yes, but the main thing is that the income tax are after us.
Lovely helping of sardines to sit on.
So if anybody asks for us, you haven't seen nothing, anything. So I'll just get a hot water bottle.
And off she goes, without asking about his letters.
His letters.
Letters? What letters? I thought you forwarded all the mail.
Not the presents from Sardinia, dear.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Where I put all the presents from Sardinia. I put all the presents from Sardinia in the pigeon house.
In the pigeon house.
In the little pigeon house. Down here, love.
Yes, but I can hear voices.
What sort of voices?
People's boxes. I mean box voices.
But there's no one here.
But darling, I saw the door handle move, and I mean these things. They weren't there when we, you know.
See why I've got to put your tie onto them.
Well, I mean, if someone put these things here, then they obviously want them downstairs you know. It could be coming up here, bringing all this stuff up here. Who knows?
Oh, look, open our sardines.
Wait, come back.
What?
You can't go downstairs looking like that.
Why not?
Mrs. Crockett.
Mrs. Crockett?
One has certain obligations.
Sardines here, sardines there. It's like the Battle of Waterloo out here. Oh. You're still poking around, are you?
Yes, still poking. I mean, still around.
Good job I can't see far with this leg.
Mrs. Blackett.
Clackett, dear. Clackett.
Mrs. Clackett. Is there anyone else in this house, Mrs. Clackett?
I haven't seen no one, dear.
Oh, well, I thought I could hear boxes. I mean, I found these voices.
Voices? There's no voices here, love.
I must have imagined it. I beg your pardon.
Oh, the study door's open.
There's another car outside. That's not Mr. Hackham's or Mr. Dudley's, is it?
Nothing. Doors in this handle.
Final notice, steps will be taken, restraint, proceedings in court.
Oh, my lord. Who are you?
I'm Philip.
What happened?
Well, it got a bit slippery on the stairs back there.
He hasn't done himself an injury, have you?
He's just a bit shaken up. He'll be all right. You weren't gonna tell me that a man had come about the house? I said, you weren't gonna tell me that a man had come about the house?
That's right. A gentleman came about the house.
Don't tell me, I'm not here.
You put your box in the garden.
Let him do anything. Just as long as you don't tell them we're here.
All right, I'll just sit down and turn on the sardines. I've forgotten. Maybe I've remembered. No, I've forgotten the sardines. I'll have to go out into the kitchen and make some more sardines to celebrate.
I didn't get this. I'm not here. I'm in Spain. But if I did get this, I didn't open it.
Darling, I never had a handle like this.
Didn't you?
Oh goodness. It's not something you gave me, is it?
I should have never touched it.
Oh no, it's lovely.
Stick it down, put it back, never saw it.
Okay, well, I'll just put it in the attic if anybody else wants to have it.
All right. Now the study door's open. Knocking upstairs. Oh my God, there's something in the linen closet. Yes, hold on, I'm coming. Yes, can you hear me? Yes, darling, stop knocking. I'm trying my best here. You see, the door handle seems to have gone. Yes, darling, At least try and shimmy through the, you can squeeze through the, oh come on, at least try. Oh,
Final
please,
notice!
Saint.
Steps will be taken.
Oh, it's you! Remember I put you in there and then,
Of course it's me. You put me in there in the dark with all black sheets and things.
darling, I put you in there.
Why did I lock the door? Why did you lock the door?
I couldn't have locked the door, you see, it's not there.
Sorry.
Well, we can't stand here like this,
I don't see why you gotta put your tie on till then.
with people coming in and out.
Okay, I'll take it off.
In here.
Final notice. Steps will be taken for proceedings in court.
Now what?
A hot water box. I didn't put it there.
I didn't put it there.
Sorry.
Someone in the bathroom filling first aid bottles.
Darling! Are you coming to bed or aren't you?
What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
What's going on? Where's Mrs. Clackett?
All I can think was pimples all over.
Quick, get something round you.
Yes, get the covers over our heads.
Hang on a minute. What did I do with those sardines? You wait here.
You hear all sorts of funny things about these old houses.
Yes, but this one has been extensively modernized throughout. I can't see how anything freaky could happen with oil-fired central heating and... The sardines! They've gone! Sorry?
Bag!
What bag?
Bag!
What do you mean bag?
Bag! Bag!
What bag?
Bag!
What do you mean bag? Sardines! Sardines! It's in the bedroom. I put it in the bedroom. I'll put it back in the bedroom. Oh, gone.
Oh, my files!
What on earth is happening? Where's Mrs. You wait in the bedroom.
Oh, no.
Well, at least put your dress on.
I'm not going in there.
All right. I'll fetch it for you.
Yes, quick, let's get out of here.
Your dress is gone.
Emergency bathing silk again.
Don't panic. I'm sure there's a perfectly rational explanation.
Final notice.
If we're not going to come to bed, I'm going to clear out the attic. Great heavens!
No other hands, thank you. Not my sardines, because this time she's gonna kill him.
Oh no, he's just a little stunned, that's all. Keep going.
Don't tell us what's going on.
Found her. I won't tell you what's going on.
I'll tell you what's happening.
There's a man in there, yes?
No, he's not in there. He's here, and
No.
so am I.
There's no one in the house, love. No, yes.
Look, I mean, it's quite a shock finding a man lying at the bottom of the stairs, but now that we've all met, we'll just have to introduce ourselves, won't we, darling?
Introduce ourselves. Right. Oh. I'm so sorry.
This is my husband. I'm afraid surprises go straight to his nose.
There's a man looking in the undergrowth.
Another unexpected guest. So why don't you see what you can see in the garden? And Freddie, Philip, whatever your name is, you go get that bottle marked poison in the downstairs and that eats through anything.
Eats through anything. All right. I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous.
Come in, love, and join the party.
Burglar! Now this is most exciting.
Sorry, everyone. This is my fault because when I say I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem, and I open this door.
But it makes me want to sit down and weep.
I know, love. It's getting like a funeral in here.
When I think I used to do banks,
Keep going.
when I remember I used
to do bullion vaults.
Keep going.
What am I doing now?
I'm breaking into paper bags. Stop.
Nope. Keep going.
I thought the coast was clean. I saw him go up to the bathroom.
Never mind. We'll think of something.
I was listening so carefully. What's it he says?
I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous.
And he goes out to the door.
No!
When I think I used to do banks, when I remember I used to do vaults.
We know this man. He's not a burglar. He's our social worker.
What?
You know, he's that man who comes in and tells us what to do.
What to do?
What's he saying?
He's saying, just get through the play for doors and sardines. Yes, that's what it's all about. Doors and sardines.
Doors and sardines.
Doors and sardines!
He's saying, phones and police.
Phones and police.
Phones and police.
Phone! Police!
He's saying, bags and boxes.
Bags and boxes.
Sheets. He's saying sheets.
Sheets.
He's saying all we want now is a nice, happy ending.
And here she is, in her wedding dress. It's their wedding day. Do you take the sheep to be your lawful wedding wife? It's not.
What's he saying?
He's saying, last line.
Me, last line?
Last line!
When all around is strife and uncertainty, there's nothing like a good old-fashioned plate of
Sardines!
we have to acknowledge, because this show can't happen without